So if you own a 2011 to 2014 Kia Sedona, then I'm going to provide you with PDF. So if you have latching issues with the door not closing completely, which is a common problem, you'll see many attempt fixes on YouTube. Well, just take this PDF to the dealer or send it to the dealer and see if they'll fix it for free. So check it out below and keep pumping it up. Thank you, baby. Alright, welcome to the Quick Bump channel. Welcome to the Quick Bump. Alright, welcome to the Quick Bump channel. Today, I want to provide you with a little information that I was not able to find until it was too late. It's about a Kia door repair warranty for 2011 through 2014. Power sliding door latching. If you have an issue with that, all of a sudden the latch won't work, it won't hold shut. I've replaced the latch on mine twice and it doesn't really even latch, so I wasted a lot of time doing that and then I got rid of it. But as I was getting rid of the vehicle, I happened to find something that they mailed. Now, I was not able to find this online, but I'm going to make sure it's available to you. It says, "Dear Kia Sedona vehicle owner, they take pride in providing you with high quality and dependable vehicles. In order to maintain these standards, Kia is extending new vehicle limited warranty coverage to all owners of 2011 through 2014. Sedona vehicles, my Sedona." What is that, my Sedona? Vehicles equipped with power sliding doors or power sliding door difficulty latching issues from 5 years 60,000 miles to 15 years unlimited miles. So if you have, like I had, a 2012, that means through 2027. If you have like a 2011, I think you got until next year. I'm recording this in June of 2025. This was issued way back in March 4th of 2021. All this stuff's going to be available, so it says, if at any time the warm period you experience a power sliding door not completely latching, your authorized Kia dealership will diagnose the cause to you at no cost. If the diagnosis indicates the condition is caused by the remote controller or door latches, mine was the door latches, which are the main component that causes this condition, Kia will replace the part on your vehicle at no cost to you. This supplement to Kia's new vehicle warranty does not alter limitations and exclusions contained in the new vehicle limited warranty, including incomplete latching due to abuse, neglect, external damage to the power sliding door assembly. So what should you do? If it doesn't latch completely upon closing, the open door indicators including chimes, dashboard telltales, and the dome light would activate. Additional audio and visual alerts would activate, and the vehicle starts to be driven away with the power sliding door not fully closed. If these symptoms occur, contact the nearest authorized Kia dealer to have your vehicle diagnosed. You can go to kia.com, but I'll make this available on PDF below, so don't worry about that. It says retain this in the glove compartment of your Kia vehicle, so I should have done that when I was having all these issues, but I found it. I could just trade the thing in. So I'll make sure this is available to you. I did not see in any of my research on the sliding door that they had issued this extended warranty. So yeah, just call Kia about this. Even send them a copy of the PDF if you're having this issue. The main reason I got rid of my Kia because I thought the starter was messing up, but it was actually the, what do you call that? Not the flex plate. I think it was the flex plate, but the flywheel on the, so it wasn't lining up and it wasn't starting correctly. I'll make a separate video, short video on that. So it might not be your starter, it's probably, if the starter sounds like it's activating, just worrying. It's probably just the flywheel, so yeah. So I'll make that available to you. Thanks for checking out Quick Pump channel. If you're having issues with Kia Sedona's doors not latching, there's lots of videos on it so you can actually mess with the latch once you get it shut. Keep it shut until you can get to the dealer and take care of it. Alright, thank you. Coverage to all owners of 2011 through 2014.